Hey everybody, this is Eric Donaldson with Donaldson Pools. Just kind of out here. It's 5:20 Friday afternoon. We're out here doing a little flood recovery, so to speak, from 2016. Out here working on these swimming pools, trying to get them cleaned up after all the flooding. Sometimes, just wanted to give y'all an idea. Sometimes you never know what you're going to find in a swimming pool. So, just take a look at this. Not sure if you can see it very well, but we're gonna see if we can drag it up. It's here. See? You find all kind of stuff in the bottom of swimming pools. Nice big old garbage can. Alright, that's probably the easy part. I'm gonna need both hands to do this next part, so I'm gonna have to talk to y'all later on. But just remember, Donaldson Pools, we're here. We'd service anything. If you have any questions, any problems, need any service, pool cleaning, anything you might have with your swimming pools, give us a call, 225-315-9897. My name is Eric. Y'all have a nice day. God bless.